What is Incognito Mode? Have you ever used this? That's Incognito Mode, also known as private browsing. But what does it really do? When you open an incognito window, your browser temporarily forgets what you do. 3 things Incognito Mode really does. It doesn't save your browsing history. We visit a few websites, like news pages and online stores in a regular Chrome window. Then, we open the browser history to show how those websites are automatically saved, meaning anyone who uses your device later can see where you've been. Next, we open a new incognito window, browse privately, and then check the history again. You'll see that nothing from that session is saved. This proves that Incognito Mode doesn't keep a record of your activity. It's a great way to keep your browsing hidden from others who use the same device. It deletes cookies once you close the tab. It forgets anything you type into forms. What Incognito Mode doesn't protect you from? It doesn't stop websites from tracking you. It doesn't block your internet provider from seeing what you do. It doesn't hide your IP address. So while Incognito Mode is great for local privacy, remember it's not full anonymity. Use it wisely and know its limits.